It's been a little while since I've done a DIY project, and we're gonna start with tiling a shower. I've tiled 2 showers before. This is the biggest one that I've done yet, and I'm gonna try to put a time constraint on this. I'm gonna try to get it done in 2 weeks with dry time, so let's see if we can do it. The shower is at my brother's house, and they want a bench, and it looks like the walls are not square. So I've got to try to figure that one out. My brother was planning on building his own curb, but I talked him into using the Schluter system, which means that we have to use the adapter for the drain because the drain's already installed. And also the pre-formed pan, so it's the tray. It makes it super easy to install. You don't have to worry about leveling anything or do any of that. So we're gonna try to make this as simple as possible. I have to line up the tray to the actual drain, and so I need to measure from the walls, both sides, and the length to get it right in the center, and then I have to cut this styrofoam with a little razor knife and get it to fit right in that space.
I did check how the drain fit with the tray, and I realized I needed to add some plywood underneath to lift it up for the drain. After confirming the plywood fit in the space, I applied construction adhesive to the back and then secured it into place with screws.
We are on day 3, and I had hoped yesterday to apply the waterproofing, but we had a small setback of the drain. So now today we are in the process of cutting and installing the membrane. It is officially day 5. We did have to let everything dry for 24 hours. Then we did a water test that took 24 hours, and now we are ready to tile. We're gonna start with the floor. I got the floor all cut to fit. Now the test will be actually installing it with the mortar. So cross your fingers that it actually still fits afterwards.
I ran into a few setbacks while installing the tiles. First, the tile saw didn't like cutting 45-degree angles in this tile without chipping, even with a good blade. So we had to pivot and get a different threshold piece and bench piece, which added some days to our timeline.
Fit. I'm so excited. Ah. But now, we have to cut the next one. Here we go. I was hoping these cuts would line up a little bit better, but hopefully that'll just hide, because I couldn't get the arch on this bottom one.
Once the mortar had cured, the spacers were removed and the grout lines were cleaned prior to applying the grout. After the grout was installed, I let it cure, then cleaned the tiles so I could apply a sealer, caulk the seams, and install the metal shelves.
I didn't quite make the 2-week deadline, but I did finish the shower in 21 days, and I'm really happy with how it turned out.